Hello YouTube, it's David here. I'm an indie game developer from Romania that started working on indie projects since 2021. Along the years, I acquired knowledge of C# and C++ and in-field experience in the famous Unity engine. 2 months ago, I embarked on a thrilling journey to develop a horror game called Luminal Fear. Centered around the Janitor working in a grim environment filled with monsters that react to light. I chose Unity for this project, a fantastic game engine for rapidly developing 3D games. From the start, I had a clear vision for the game's aesthetics, incorporating lens distortion and pixel perfection to achieve a distinct vibe in the game. The initial phase was challenging enough. Starting with a blank canvas is always hard, so I had to keep things simple. I implemented basic movement and a shotgun feature within 2 weeks. I managed to achieve a very basic core that would set the foundation for the future. I knew the game had potential even from the beginning. Progressing further, I faced some problems defining the core mechanics of the game. While the game looked good, it lacked engaging gameplay. Realizing the need for a more coherent game loop, I introduced a mechanic where enemies would freeze in light, task-based gameplay, ammo, and batteries around the map, and the fuel search mechanic to restart the generator. The game's difficulty spiked with the introduction of scattered ammo and batteries, but I was determined to refine the project. In the end, I got rid of the fuel and generator mechanic and made everything automatic, including the ammo system. At this point in time, I sought external assistance and was fortunate enough to collaborate with Sebastian, a talented developer from the Czech Republic. His perspective and skills were pivotal in advancing the project. I'll let him do the talking now.
Hello YouTube, Seb here. When David approached me with this horror project, I could immediately see the potential it held. My primary task was to design and implement an upgrade system that would add progression to the game. While David worked on implementing new classes, I had a lot of fun playing around with the new upgrade system. And I could immediately see the effect that this new system had in the game. Because in a matter of seconds, I got really addicted to upgrading new weapons and having a bigger flashlight range, for example. We introduced our protagonist, or also the Janitor, who has to take on the difficult task of cleaning his workspace. This not only ties into the game's cleaning theme, but also adds a layer of purpose and engagement for the player experience. All of this hard work finally paid off, and we have a build that showcases the new features we implemented. I hope you will join us for this adventure, and see you next time!
This collaboration has been a super nice experience, underscoring the value of teamwork in game development. Working in teams not only makes the development process more manageable, but also fosters learning and keeps the project continuously moving forward. Thank you for joining me on this devlog journey, and stay tuned for more updates as we further develop this horror adventure. Peace.